Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn about the if function, the most powerful and frequently used function in Excel. So, by the end of this video, you will be able to use if function. So, let's get started. So, we have a list of students and their scores, and you want to categorize them as pass or fail. So, the if function is perfect for this task. So, the if function checks the whether a condition is true or false. If the condition is true, it returns one value. If false, it returns another. So let's use if function. So we will type if. The syntax of if function is first logical test, value if true and value if false. So logical test it will be our uh, so we will set the logical value will be 50. So uh, if the score is greater than or equal to 50, then this formula will return pass, or if the score is less than 50, this formula will return the result as fail. So we will use the if function to determine if the students have passed or failed based on our passing score of 50. So first of all, we will give our logical test. So we will select this cell and we will keep the score greater than or equal to 50. And now we will uh, give the result as pass. So if the score is greater than or equal to 50, this will give the value as pass. If not, this will give the result as fail. And now we will press enter. And in the score 78 is greater than 50. So this formula has given the result as pass. Now let's drag the formula to apply it to all the students. So here we can see that each student is now labeled as either pass or fail based on their score score and that's how we use the if function in Excel. Thank you for watching this video.